Hi everyone, tonight I'll be making mini shepherd's pie. What all goes into the mini shepherd's pie? 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion diced, 1 pound of ground beef or lamb. If you use lamb, it's going to be shepherd's pie. If you use ground beef, it's actually cottage pie. I'll be using the lamb. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 10.5-ounce can beefy mushroom soup. They didn't have any at my store. I've got a can of vegetable beef soup. And then I will be cutting up some mushrooms pretty fine to go with that. 1/2 teaspoon cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup frozen peas thawed, and 1 cup frozen carrots thawed. I had the peas. My store did not have any carrots, so I bought a combination of peas and carrots. It's only 12 ounces, but I figured with the vegetables and the vegetable beef, maybe that will help. And then the topping is 4 cups of prepared mashed potatoes, and I'm going to be just using the refrigerated family size Bob Evans mashed potatoes that you just heat up. So let's begin. Take a large skillet, dump in your 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Have your heat set at medium-low. Dump in your onions, which was 1 medium onion chopped, and saute these until they're almost translucent. This says to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. My mini pie pans say they do cook in the oven for up to 400 degrees, but my oven, I believe, is running a little bit hot, so I'm going to only put it at 375. Preheat your oven to 375. So the onions are starting to soften and they are almost translucent. So put in your 1 pound of ground beef or your 1 pound of lamb. And here is my 1 pound of lamb. It is 80/20, so it will have some fat that I'll need to drain. And break that up and cook that until brown. I'm going to reduce the heat to just a little bit lower. Almost forgot, but add your 1 teaspoon of salt. So the lamb is browned and I did drain it. Next you'll add the soup, which is vegetable beef, should be beefy mushroom, and then I did add some mushroom to it. Then add your 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. Turn your heat up to high until it boils. It is boiling, and then reduce it to low until it's thickened. So the shepherd's pie mix is thickened. We'll add the 1/2 cup of peas, 1/2 cup of carrots. I have 12 ounces of peas and carrots. They are thawed, or pretty close to being thawed. And then pour in your 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and stir that to combine well. Next, we'll take our mini pie pans. These are my new Vancasso mini pie pans, and I am going to be using that. You can go to Amazon. I'll leave a link down below and you can check these out. They also come in blue. So take your shepherd's pie mix and put them in 4 small mini dishes. Ramekins, pie pans. If you do muffin tins, you're going to probably have to do like 6 or so. And I'm going to fill them up pretty much to the top like that. Then take your mashed potatoes and put them on the top, and we'll smooth them out in just a minute. And cover it up so you don't see any of the meat and veggies, like so. This will make a big meal in itself. It's got lots of good stuff in it. You won't need more than one of these. Put your mini shepherd pies in a preheated 400-degree oven, minus 375, and bake it for 20 minutes or until the tops of the potatoes start to turn brown. So after 30 minutes, the mini shepherd pies are done. They are getting a little bit brown on the top. They need to cool for 5 minutes, and then we'll dish them up and do a taste test. So here is the mini shepherd's pie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
That is mini shepherd's pie.
Oh. That's very good. Thank you.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.